Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Spotify code on Spotify, like on the website. You have to do on the website. You can also get a Spotify code from your phone, but if you're on the PC app, you can, I'm not sure if you can do it for a whole playlist, but for like a song, for instance, I'm just going to select the three dots here, and I'm going to select share, and I'm going to select copy song link. Then I'm going to go to this website, spotifycodes.com, and I'm going to paste the song, and I'm going to select get Spotify code. And as you can see, this will pop up. You can also change the bar color if you want to. And the background color of the code, and then you can also adjust the size and choose the format. And once you're done, you're just going to press download, and it's going to be saved to your device, and then you can use your phone to scan this code. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!